This is a little bit of a repeat of the previous one because it's the same example, but again, I want to show you the steps for success in this. Whenever you're given an equation like this, again, remember that you're looking at the form. Again, you should have those sheets of laws, equivalencies, all in front of you, and you're trying to get something to match what that has. Now, you're going to do some substitution or something like that in order for it to get the match, then fine. But again, then you reapply whatever you did your substitution for. So matter of fact, there's going to be some times where you have a negative. For a moment, the negative is going to disappear just so it fits the form, and then you put it back in there when everything is said and done. So it's really about matching forms when we get into, frankly, problems just like this. But make sure that highlight what items that you changed. Describe every single law and equivalency that you use in order to get to your match. That's really showing all the work in the explanation we have, because we're going to try to give you partial credit as much as possible, but if you don't show any of the work, you're certainly not going to get the credit. So be careful with that. Also, being dyslexic, if any of you are like that, like I certainly am, you got to watch your logic symbols, because I know I've screwed it up. I'm sure I've said an and where it should have been an or. But as I'm writing it out, I know which one it is, trust me, because I'm following, frankly, just the pattern of it more than anything else. So these are some of the steps for success that you're going to need for your assignments for this week.